On this episode of Lingkod Bayan Diaries, ating tunghayan ang kwento ng isa sa ating mga honor awardees.
Malaki ang influence ng isang public servant sa Pilipinas. Siya ay fountain of hope. Siya ang nagbibigay ng pag-asa. Kahit masyadong maraming problema ang Pilipinas na hinaharap ngayon, pag ang isang public servant ay titindig ng isang pag-asa na kaya nating malampasan ang lahat na nangyayari sa buhay, magkakaroon ng hope-driven mindset ang tao at tayo ay mananalo sa hamon ng buhay. Ako si Juim Tifora Jimlan, isang head teacher 1 ng Tamalagon Integrated School, DepEd Division of Aklan sa Western Visayas, Region 6. I am in charge with instructional supervision. At the same time, nagtuturo po din ako sa grade 7 ng science. Kasi medyo gusto ko po talaga yung teaching, ito yung passion ko. I want to help the school, that's why na-promote ako as head teacher, wherein ang aking expertise would always be instructional leadership. I motivate the teachers to be like me, an exemplary public servant with a heart. I usually wake up 4 o'clock. And then, the first thing that I usually do is to do rosary kasi I'm a devout Catholic. And then I attend daily mass. It's important kasi sa akin na maka-attend ako ng daily mass kasi it's my source of daily vitamins. From the church, I walk to my school. I'm already 42 and I want to be healthy. After all, lahat ng dreams na ito, hindi magpupush through kung hindi tayo healthy. As public servants, we are also demanded to be health conscious kasi we are serving people. 6:30 nasa school na ako, and after ng first load, second load ko, balik na naman ako sa office and I do instructional leadership na. Nagka-classroom observation ako sa mga teachers, and after classroom observations, I report to the office. At 5 o'clock, I have to make sure na okay yung school, naka-turn off lahat ng electric fans, naka-turn off lahat ng switches, dapat okay lahat. And then I'll say goodbye to my principal. So that's my typical work. And then I always end the day before I sleep with asking 3 questions. Number 1 is, Lord, ano kaya yung mga masasamang ginawa ko today na naka-hurt ng feelings ng mga tao? Pangalawa is, Lord, ano kaya yung mga ginawa ko na supposed to be, ganito yung gagawin ko dapat? And lastly is, I don't end up the day without asking, Lord, ano yung magagandang ginawa ko? And when I ask these questions, I do the rosary and I sleep well at night. Ang feeling ko sa isang Dangal ng Bayan Award is a calling. Ang Dangal ng Bayan Award, hindi po siya award na ibibigay lang sa isang deserving public servant. Ito ay isang calling na kung saan ito ay dadalhin mo hanggang kamatayan. Sa 106 million Filipinos, could you imagine, isa ka sa mga awardees. Sa sobrang dami ng public servants sa Philippine government, isa ka sa mga nanalo. So hindi lang ito isang award na makukuha mo, after awarding, wala na. Noong COVID-19, hindi ako tumigil tumulong sa mga tao sa aming municipality. As a matter of fact, yung sweldo ko for summer, 2 months, dinonate ko sa mga frontliners. Kahit may COVID, nagpe-print ng modules yung mga teachers. Tinuloy namin yung education. Kaya ngayon, although may problema pa rin sa ating reading literacy, naaagapan pa rin ito through remediation. At yan ang commitment ng teachers sa buong Pilipinas. So, kahit may COVID, tuloy ang trabaho ng taga-DepEd. During Typhoon Paeng, and even Typhoon Odette, and even flash flood in the school, nakita ko kung paano lamunin ng tubig baha yung school. Hindi ko iniwan ang paaralan namin. So I was so happy that as a public servant, na-prove ko na tayo pala yung last na mag-give up. And if possible, we will never give up life kasi we are public servants. Yung aking service as teaching, hindi lang siya nag-evolve around the 4 walls of the classroom. Lumabas po tayo sa ating comfort zone sa municipality, sa regional level, at saka sa regional level, at sa buong Pilipinas. Public office is a public trust. We are called to serve the nation, not just ourselves. If we are given a chance to be public servant, grab the opportunity to help one another. Convert our work into prayer. Make our work sanctifiable because it's the only way to go to heaven. I always believe being public servant is our passport to be with Him. And with our calling as public servant, we are agents of change. We have to give hope to the Filipino nation. And I am so happy that I was given a chance to be a public servant. I was called as a public servant, and I will always be proud and die as a public servant. Ako si Juim Tifora Jimlan, Head Teacher 1 ng Tamalagon Integrated School, Division of Aklan, Western Visayas Region 6, Home of the Champions. At ito ang aking kwentong lingkod bayani.
Inyong natunghayan ang kwento ng ating lingkod bayani. Kung ikaw ay may kilalang lingkod bayani, maaari siyang i-nominate sa Honor Awards Program ng Civil Service Commission. For nomination procedures, go to www.csc.gov.ph. See you on the next episode of Lingkod Bayan Diaries.